This video introduces a joint Windocks IRI test database repository. DevOps today relies on containers and software package repositories to deliver identical application environments in seconds with Jenkins and other continuous integration pipelines. Test data, however, is often limited to row and table level data, as provisioning production database environments can take hours or even days. The result is reduced end-to-end and UAT testing. IRI and Windocks are pleased to announce a secure, versioned, on-demand test database repository. Complete database environments are delivered in seconds with built-in data masking and synthetic data, designed with IRI, Field Shield, and RowGen technology in the IRI Veracity platform to secure PII and other column-sensitive data. The repo is managed with standard container RESTful APIs and delivers database environments to both containers and conventional instances and workstations. The test data repository runs on any on-premise infrastructure or cloud and supports Active Directory and Windows authentication and supports data from any enterprise or cloud storage. A single VM supports up to 100 simultaneous database environments, and each image can deliver dozens of databases, and each environment delivered consumes only 40 megabytes. A reduction in the number of VMs and storage savings drives an average 50 to 70% net reduction in test infrastructure costs. Windocks is excited to partner with IRI for a rich set of data management capabilities, including big data sorting and manipulation with CoSort, row-level synthetic data generation with RowGen, unstructured data masking with DarkShield, and relational data masking with Field Shield. NextForm provides data translation between source and target systems, and Veracity is a bundle that combines these capabilities with ETL. The IRI Workbench is a free client-side job design IDE and is used to profile databases and manage jobs like the masking scripts that will be run in our demo today. The test database repo is a container-based system, so it's natural to wonder if Docker container expertise is needed. The answer is no. A web application abstracts Docker commands and image details. A plain text configuration file, called a Docker file, defines each database image. The image that we'll look at today is based on this Docker file with a SQL Server 2019 full backup of a Windocks named database. The database was profiled earlier and a data mask and data quality job were created. A new database table was also populated with test data to support testing of a new feature. All three of these steps are handled via a setup batch file as shown below. A Windocks IRI solution supports database enhancements during the image build, as we're doing here, or during database delivery at runtime based on group membership of the user requesting the environment. This is the database repository, which happens to be running on an AWS EC2 instance, but this could also be on Azure or Google Cloud or any on-premise infrastructure. We've logged in as an administrator, so we have full access to the web application. Users are usually provided access to only group authorized images and containers. Building an image is as simple as clicking on the Build tab, selecting the Docker file, and entering a image name, and build. The new image is available in the IRI with the IRI data masking, cleansing, and added table populated with synthetic data. Identical environments are served on demand to meet development and testing needs. A drop-down tool allows us to select a subset if we were working with a complex set of database environments. In this case, we can simply assign a name to an environment, and we can optionally assign a port and a SQL login as well. It takes just seconds to deliver the writable, isolated database environment. I'll use SQL Management Studio to access this one using Windows authentication. And there is our clone database with the IRI's masking and synthetic data built in. The same VM supports both automated test pipelines and user self-service, and can scale to 50 or even 100 simultaneous database environments. The ability to consolidate 300 separate VMs and instances to perhaps 20 container servers is one benefit for many. Test infrastructure costs are reduced by an average of 50 to 70%. Refreshing images is also supported with transactional log backups and differential backups, and can be applied manually or per a scheduled refresh. An audit log builds a complete record of image and container creation and deletion for compliance reporting and audits. IRI and Windocks are excited to deliver this on-demand, secure database repository. Just as DevOps has grown to rely on repository automation to deliver identical environments, so a test database repository will deliver the same for test data management. And now complex, secure, test-ready database environments are available on demand for improved end-to-end UAT and performance testing. Visit IRI or Windocks.com to learn more and ask about a free supported pilot.